A racing car from Michelin worth €70,000 has arrived in Shanghai to be among the earliest exhibits in place for the 4th China International Import Expo in November. The Mission H24 car powered by hydrogen started from Paris via Luxembourg and had a stopover in Thailand. On Monday morning, it completed customs clearance, which only took 1 second via digital devices and services.
This racing car is powered by hydrogen, which is a green source of energy. The second particularity of this racing car, which is great, is about the tires. The tires that are used in this racing car are produced by 46% of recyclable materials, and which can be recycled and reused.
Co-developed by Michelin and Symbio, the car has special tires, which will be a highlight at the Michelin's presentation at this year's CIIE. The CIIE is the first dedicated import exhibition in the world and has seen fruitful outcomes in the past 3 expos. The 4th CIIE is slated to be held offline in Shanghai from November 5th to 10th this year.